Hey guys, so my Redmi 90 received an important update, the MIUI 13. I had no idea that the Redmi 90 would receive this update because there are tons of articles, many sources online claim that the Redmi 90 would never receive the MIUI 13, but yeah, they are all wrong. So this is the MIUI 13 on the Redmi 90. My Redmi 90 is currently running on the Android 11 OS. I think the MIUI 13 would automatically, I think the Android version, once I update to MIUI 13, would be Android 12. Okay, so as you can see, it's currently running on Android 11. So I think once I update, the Android version might update to Android 12. I've also, seen some videos on YouTube, new videos actually, about people updating their Redmi 90 to MIUI 13, and it ships with the Android 12. It comes with the Android 12. So what I'm going to do now is update the phone, and I'll be back. I'll just show you the interface. You would not hear any commentary from me.